RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation, which sounds super complicated, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll totally get it. So what is RAG? Here's the basic idea. RAG is a way to make AI smarter by letting it look up information before answering you, instead of relying only on what it memorized during training. Let me give you an analogy that'll make this crystal clear. Imagine you're taking a test. Without RAG, you can only use what you already know from memory. If you don't know something or your memory is outdated, you're stuck. You just have to guess or admit you don't know. But with RAG, you can bring your textbooks and notes to the test. You look up the exact information you need, then write your answer based on what you found. Okay, so how does it actually work? Let me break it down into 3 simple steps. When you ask a question, first, there's retrieval. The AI searches through documents, files, or databases you've given it. Second, it finds the relevant information. It pulls out the most useful pieces that relate to your question. And third, generation. The AI uses the fresh information it just found to create an answer for you. So, retrieval. Find what's relevant and generate an answer. That's it. Let me show you a real-world example so you can see why this matters. Let's say you work at a company with 1,000 internal documents. Without RAG, if you ask the AI, "What's our return policy for electronics?" the AI would say, "I don't know your specific policy," because it wasn't trained on your company's documents. But with RAG, you ask the same question, "What's our return policy for electronics?" And now the AI searches your documents, finds your actual policy, and says, "According to your policy document, electronics can be returned within 30 days with a receipt for a full refund." See the difference? The AI can actually access your information and give you accurate, specific answers. So why is RAG so useful? Let me give you 4 big reasons. First, it gives you up-to-date information. You're not limited to what the AI learned months ago during training. Second, you can use your own data. Your personal files, company documents, whatever specific information you have. Third, it's more accurate. The AI is quoting from actual sources instead of just guessing from memory. And fourth, it's transparent. You can often see exactly which documents the AI used to answer your question. Here's how I like to think about it. Regular AI is like a smart person answering from memory. RAG is that same smart person, but now they have a library card and can look things up before answering. The AI becomes so much more helpful because it's not limited to what it memorized. It can access exactly the information you need when you need it. And that's RAG. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech content. Comment below what you'd use RAG for. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching.